We're literally outside the Marriott. I was really excited to do this until I just walked past like 30 people sat outside of the cafes. That might be a little bit awkward. The Marriott had an event on last night, and so I asked Daniel if I could nick some of these, because in Vietnam, there's no celebration without a billboard, a backboard, and like tons of these flowers. How many can we take? Everything. We're literally outside the Marriott nicking some flowers. Two of our neighbours, we saw them downstairs and in the lift. They've actually helped us carry this upstairs. Just spraying some water on them to keep them fresh. I think this is going to be so funny. The most important video of the entire series is this one. Boys and girls, ladies and gents, it is I don't know the day, but it's been 8 months and 3 weeks since I left England. And today my heart is so full because my parents are arriving. Well, they've arrived, they're at the airport. The plane's just landed, so it's probably gonna take them maybe 30 to 45 minutes to get out. So we're leaving right now. I didn't sleep last night, I couldn't sleep. I've never been this excited to see my parents ever in my entire life. And I think it's because this is so new. Like, this isn't a holiday. We're not going on a vacation together. I live here, this is home. This is like so new, so crazy, so cool. I'm so excited. Sorry if I'm a bit shouty. I even put the mic further down because I knew I was gonna be like golden retriever energy today. Thank you, my love. Oh, I can see my dad. I can see them. Ah! Boo! Dude! Hey, dude! Oh, you're a dumb dude. You're poop.
Yeah, absolutely poop. What's that?
It's the mic.
Oh, it's a mic. Good afternoon. How about that? Meeting after 8 months. Pretty cool, isn't it?
8 months and 3 weeks. You excited?
I'm very, very excited.
I couldn't sleep last night. This is going to be your home for the next however. Well, it's your home for as long as we're here, but you're about to see your home. What do you think so far? First impressions?
Oh, a very sexy home. I'm looking forward to this. I might extend my stay. Look at it.
Ooh,
Very nice.
God, no, joking. What were your first impressions of Da Nang from airport to here?
I'm pleasantly surprised. I was here about 40 years ago, and this wasn't in existence. It was almost a jungle.
What about cleanliness?
Better standard than sometimes you get in the European countries. So this is quite impressive.
That's crazy, yeah, big statement, that.
This is quite impressive. Oh my word, look at that. I wasn't expecting that. It's like a Chinese dragon outside your front door. Oh, they're almost real, aren't they?
They are real.
No, I meant they've got life in them. That's what I meant. Yeah, that's right. They're not inanimate, they've got life in them. Yeah. Yeah, always sort of, hey, hi, how you doing, fella? I like your colourful outfit. Is it clean? Is it clean?
Ooh.
Shall I do the clean trick?
Yeah, you can do the test.
I could do the test. Okay.
Mum, look, this is what we got for you. Oh, it's brand new, clean, it's so nice and soft and fluffy.
Fabulous,
I'm going to take this for you.
Yeah, thank you very much. There we are. That's very kind. Hey, I like the service in this hotel. I think I'll come back again. Oh my word. Woo! This is better than the Hilton. It beats the, what do they call it? This is far better than the Melia. Look at it. I can sit here all day long and sip coffee and write philosophy.
Is it fresh flowers, isn't it?
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah. I didn't book this Airbnb. Are we in the right place?
Are you in the right spot?
Are we in the right spot here? Far better. Yeah, the videos don't do it justice. Yeah, no, the setting is actually fabulous.
And I thought it wasn't going to be as well because you've already seen it on video calls and photos and videos and YouTube and everything.
Yeah, honestly, the
videos,
the photographs, it doesn't really do it justice. It's just reality. Real is something it's on another level. It gives you 4 dimensions or 5 dimensions.
Yeah, that's true. This is yours now. Oh. We've cleared it out.
We've moved into the box room.
I forgot to ask that. What's the bad news? You only got it for 24 hours?
Yeah.
Downgrade. It's all going too well, isn't it?
Raise us up a bit and then drop.
Yeah.
It's like your own apartment.
Yeah. This is bigger than your apartment.
So cool, isn't it?
It is very cool. As I was sitting doing my business. Very cool.
And this is newly installed.
Is it? I have broken my shoulder blade.
Oh, yeah! Go on, lad. Whoa.
Whoa.
This is where you'll be.
Oh,
Ice bathing.
cooling down.
That's right.
Oh, yeah.
Tomorrow, and then we sit down and
Have a cool.
coffee here.
Whoa.
And you know what? I really like how low they are because it takes the weight off your legs.
Yeah.
Kind of cool, isn't
It
it?
is very cool.
Everyone's being forced to do this exercise by my father.
I mean, it might sound funny, but honestly, it has some meaning and some depth. I'm going to start off by saying, oh God, I'm grateful for this moment. I'm grateful for this, uniting us together as a family now after, 8 months. And I'm grateful for this 5-star flat and the superb scenery. What are you grateful for today,
That's
then?
so nice, Dad.
Yeah.
It's amazing, and I'm just mesmerized with the scene and the flat and the decorations and what effort she's put in. And
I love it.
Nighttime, yeah. Wait till 8 in the morning.
thank you so much for everything.
Well, I mean, ladies and gentlemen, this is our first night out, and we have elected democratically H as our leader to a coffee run.
Makes him mad.
What a brilliant ending to the day after a 30-hour, haul.
Or is it the end?
Or is the end?
Because Dad,
Yeah.
me and Dad
we
have had
keep
a-
thinking of new stuff to do.
Well,
it's almost midnight, isn't it?
almost midnight. Everything's
walk-
closing, but there's one place I've wanted to check out for a really long time. It's even on my Google Maps and it's saved, and it's this one massage parlour that's open till 5 in the morning,
And they do feet.
and they do feet.
I flew all the way here just to have my feet done.
Yes, exactly.
Different colours, sexy colours.
It might be questionable, but there's only one way to find out.
That's it. If you don't try, you won't find out.
I thought that was going to rhyme then.
We're now walking on the embankment.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
The embankment,
nice, isn't it?
as if though we're in London. Very much a
Oh,
similar-
true. Yeah, good
Right.
point. It does
River
remind me of London.
River Thames.
What's really cool, and I think this is why I'm more excited to take you out, is that because it's night time and the roads are quiet, I kind of want to put Dad on the back of me on the motorbike for the first time.
Oh, it's a bit scary.
And that's why I really want to go to the massage parlour.
That is a bit scary.
I promise you it's not scary, Dad. I promise you. And I drive slow. I drive proper slow.
During the day, I think I'm game during the day. For
No,
anything.
but Dad, during the day it's nuts.
Is it?
Yeah, look at the roads now. They're dead quiet. This is the most quiet it's ever going to get.
You call that dead quiet?
Yeah, that's dead quiet.
That's dead quiet, folks. Okay. Definition of dead quiet. That.
Yeah, this is a definition of dead quiet. Dad's got his helmet on. Dad, come in the shot.
Yeah, meet the Asian Barry Sheen here, and it's been driven by the younger Barry Sheen. You haven't seen anything yet. Just watch this space.
Scared?
Scared shitless.
I think he's proper scared.
Proper scared, clearly. Hello. Easy, tiger.
There we go, Dad. There we go. How you feeling?
Yeah, so far so good. If you keep it at that speed, I think I'm alright. You won't believe this, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, so
Father and daughter roaming around in the middle of the bloody night. It's about 1 o'clock on a motorbike looking for a bloody, what do you call it, nail place.
that's
Really
sick,
takes a
dude.
cake.
You know what? I rate you for trusting me. Let me bring it onto the pavements in Vietnam for parking.
Right.
You got your slippers on?
I've got my slippers on. Thank you
Shoes
very
off?
much.
You got your helmet on?
I've got my helmet, yes. So some of you guys who are watching might remember, the comedy sketch by Monty Python. I wish I was a girlie, just like my dear papa. So
You can't make this shit up, guys.
This-
this is
this
what
is-
I live with. This is what I get all the time, every day.
Right.
Even on the phone,
Alright.
trying to have a serious discussion with my dad.
that's good, very good. Thank you.
He'll
Thank you.
come up with some skit.
I'm a
some
lumberjack
one-
and I'm okay. That was a song was sung on the Monty Python show. It's all about sort of masculinity and male and male chauvinism, right? So the lumberjacks are the epitome, the sign of masculinity. So the song goes, I'm a lumberjack and I'm okay. I cut, I sleep all day, I cut trees all night. I mean, there's loads of things I've got to tell you, but it's only been 10 minutes I've arrived, and I've gone through a motorbike ride, I've got a foot massage, I've sang a girly song, and had a coffee.
Had a coffee, you've had a coconut rice.
Had a coconut, yeah, that's
Had
right.
a coconut cacao.
Yeah, that's right, yeah. What?
So do you feel like you're floating?
Floating, it feels like I'm living, you know, really.
Because our feet are nice and massaged.
Yeah, it's lovely.
And how was the motorbike? Real talk. With your
I mean,
5'2" daughter. Very steady.
Very steady and stable, so I was less scared on the return trip than I was on the first trip.
Happy bunny.
Happy bunny.
What's it now? Yorkshire tea and a McVitie's?
No, I think I better cut out on the liquids. I ought to really speak about the prostate guys.
Oh, that's coming. And one of the biggest things people would appreciate is how medical treatment in Vietnam is going to be much faster than what you've experienced this last year in England.
Yeah.
It takes them through the process.
The guy that I mentioned on the video, Stephen Bartlett mentions, in fact, his person he was interviewing about the herbal medicine was actually saying 5 countries in the world that push pharmaceuticals and push pills and what have you, right? WASP countries, WASP. Britain, US, New Zealand, Australia, and I think something else. As soon as you cross the Atlantic into France and you go further east, and then of course we're now in Vietnam, it's more herbal medicine.
Holistic
Herbal medicine that actually works wonders. Real herbs, real stuff that works for the body rather than actually against it. We'll go into it tomorrow.
You're going to follow the whole journey,
Yeah.
but that's the end of tonight. Should we call it?
Good night, folks.
No, Dad, can you tell everyone to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button?
Hey guys, if you don't subscribe, I'll personally come around with a number 11. All right.
Why does everybody go to threat?
That's all they say. All the lovey-dovey stuff. But I'm going to be real, because you're going to miss out on the real education, upliftment, and all the knowledge that you're going to obtain from the next few weeks of us having a chat on just about everything. Politics, health, and everything else included in between. So number 11 is coming around if you don't subscribe and if you don't hit that like button. Okay, you heard it from us.
Peace out, guys.
Love you.